Hello student, welcome to SST class for session 2021 to 2022, class 5th, SST, importance of family, topic name, topic 1, all the question answer we'll do here, like something to know, then evaluate question, then something to do, we'll do, all the question answer will solve here. So something to know, first question, look here, part A. Question number 1. A type of family that includes only parents and their children is known as nuclear family. Then second question, to develop close bond among family members, we must share love and affection. This is right answer. Then third number question, to motivate the younger members to excel, family should both encourage and appreciate. Right answer is both of them. Then four number question, the most important group of human being is uh, family. Family is right answer. Then fifth number question, the first learning place for a child is family. This is also family. Then B part, look here, pick the word from the help box. First question, family decks help the sufferer to overcome difficulties. Family support. Then second question, all family members must participate um, in family activities. Activities is right. Then in third, the decks and decks means the love and care for one another is the real strength of a family. Then four number question, every member of of the family must uh, share the different responsibilities. Here share is right. Then fifth number question, each family member follows certain costumes, uh, certain costume and tradition. Tradition is right. Then C part, look here. C part, uh, interaction develops. C part, state whether true or false. First question, interaction develops strong bonds is a family. This is true. Second question, the children cannot help the elder. False. Third number question, each family follows same costume. False. Care and appreciation are real strength of the family. True. Every person has a talent. This is also true. And D answer, question answer will do a list of two qualities that you admire in your mother and father. So I will show you the question answer. Look student, this is uh, the D part. Answer the following question. This is will do list two qualities that you admire in your mother and father. The answer may special talent like singing or contribution to society. Then second question, list three qualities that make your mother, father the most special person in the world. Answer is here, the most special person in the world is mother or father because they are just like my living God, fulfilling all needs. Second point, plenty of love and care. They are providing, giving, supporting, and support and cooperation also giving. Then helping nature to the needy. This is also. Then third number question, why does praise by family members make you happy? Uh, Answer is here. All utilize so always utilize time and energy in improving self. The good qualities make me happy, confident, popular with others. Family members make me happy and praise because I respect them and very loyal to all elder and younger members to the family by sharing feelings, joy, sorrow, etc. This is the answer. Then Fourth question, you have a family member who always criticize you. How is that person related to you? Give one reason for his and her criticism. Answer is here, a family member who always criticize me is my father due to my late wake up from the bed. Uh, he always criticize me by comparing siblings. Then fifth number question, describe your reaction when your mother father check your uh, checks you for your behavior. Answer is here. I always fear to my mother father when they check my behavior and try to do not make mistake in behave and learn by watching parents. This is the answer of D part question. Then now we'll discuss E part question. So look student, E part question here. E part question. The following questions calling, what is the importance of a family? Answer is here. Answer is here. It is important that grown up members of the family practice values and action that they want their children to learn. This is the answer. Then second question answer. Uh, the question is, the family system work like a chain. Explain it with an example. Here answer is, the family system works like a chain. The elder help the child to grow up into a good human being. For example, the children provide support to elders in times of need. They also follow the family values and tradition like mutual affection, love, trust, and sharing of responsibilities strengthen the relationship in a family. Then third number question, what do you mean by family traditions? What is the importance of family tradition in your life? Here, answer is, each family follows certain custom, tradition. Their the activities that occur regularly and hold special meaning for that family. They are an excellent way of teaching values like respect for our elders, caring and sharing, helping others, and passing the family heritage to the future generation. So it is important. So it is most important to practice values and action of the family for good human being. Then four number question, what step can the family member take to build strong bonds? Answer is here, the care and appreciation for one another are the real strength of a family. It is important that the family members spend time together. It builds strong bonds among family members. Step like the interaction give them opportunities to remain in close contact, develop harmony and understanding. Then fifth number question is here, why is it important to have good communication with your parents? Answer is here, yes, it is important to have good communication with family because this will guide you to grow up into a great human being. If we share our feelings, hopes, dreams, fears, joys, sorrows, and experience with family, then now we'll discuss value-based question. Here, value-based question. Parents have many responsibilities towards their children. List 5 responsibilities that children have towards their family. Are your responsibilities uh, are your responsibility depend on scoldings and frequent reminds? Explain with two examples. Your sharing of responsibilities strengthen the relationship in a family. Parents have many responsibilities towards their children that are, uh, first one, take care of family. Second, guide to children. Third, earn handsome money for better living standard. Fourth, teach up the teach the family value and tradition. Then fifth, develop harmony and understanding in the family. Yes, it is important on scoldings and a frequent reminder to a child to grow up as a good human being. For example, a child do not serious about career, then parent can scold it. Then second uh, example is here: a child do not respect elder and misbehave to other against family values and tradition. Then the parents can scold it to that child for a good behavior. Uh, so it was the value based question answer and um, answer of the uh, e question answer. So now we'll discuss something to do. So something to do will do. First question: why it is important to share responsibilities at home? How do you share responsibilities for household chores? Answer is here: the parents and the parents and so this is the answer of the first question. Uh, why it is important to share responsibility at home and how do share responsibility for household chores. Then second question: who is your role model? Mention the qualities which you admire him and her and would you like to imbibe. Your my role model, according to you, can write. This is one of answer for this question. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is my role model, who had strong determination and work hard for reforms of the society. Uh, who is the Indian Constitution maker. He was a great scholar and a great social reformer, philosopher. Uh, the Bharat Ratna Baba Sahib, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, is the modern architect of India. So he is a most intelligent and symbol of knowledge. So he is my role model. You can write. Then Then third question, write one value each that you would like to imbibe from yours grandfather, grandmother, like writings and storytelling, leadership and responsibility, social work and singing, dancing and craft making. These are. Then four number question, the goal of spending quality family time is to love, understand and have wonderful relation with the family members. Mention three activities that your family engage in making family time memorable and enjoyable. Answer is sports, street cricket, badminton, football, cycling. Here in B, marriage, birthday celebration, festivals. And fifth number question, uh, you like to eat bhel puri, but your friend want to eat burger all the time. How will you and your parents decide what to cook for him when come to your home? Keep in mind, junk food is unhealthy. Answer is when he will come to home, then keep in mind junk food is unhealthy. I say to parents for cook both bhel puri and burger at home so we can eat together. So this was the question answer of uh, first chapter SST class 5th. Something to do, you just look, listen, uh, and write in copy for your academic fulfill. And don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and comment. So thank you and stay healthy and safe.